Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of SheMakes Club, here to have some fun with adorable pictures my good friend Lauren took of our new spring baby chicks and baby duckies. And she brought over, she's a bunny breeder, so she brought over pictures, brought over bunnies for the pictures as well, so we could have a really fun spring photo shoot. And what I did is I screenshot it off of Facebook. And even though she sent me the originals, I knew it would print out at a perfect size. So here you can see I have some of the originals that are printed out as full 4x6. And then those mini ones just as screenshots. And I'm grabbing some of the Close to My Heart paper. This was actually the paper that came in their Valentine's kit, the special that they had. And I just thought this pink and blue would just be a lot of fun with the bright yellow for spring. And I thought I would do 2 pages side by side, like with very similar layouts, and be able to like turn and twist and rotate. You're going to see as I go along, I totally abandoned ship, but I want it to send you or share with you, not send, share the entire process, because as creators, as scrapbookers, sometimes we change our mind midway through. And I wanted you to be able to see that. So this is the zip strip, which is the decorative strip at the top of the 12 by 12 paper, which is really great. And I'm just adhering all of these little photos down. And again, they're just printed out on my photo printer on 4x6 paper, but because I screenshot it from my phone from Facebook, it's the perfect size for this layout. And then here's a full 4x6. So I made a little mistake. I didn't like the way it was lined up. I just ripped it up, put adhesive down. And now I'm matting. These are my two most favorites of our ducks. This is Lucy and Ethel. Lucy and Ethel are our ducks, and that white and black chick are Precious and Boo Boo. And I put them on this page. So now I'm going to add some pink embellishments and the hearts and different things that came in this kit's embellishment kit. It's just the paper and the stickers. The kit was called, I believe it's Smitten, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe that was just the paper name. That's a great question, but I don't even think it's available any longer, which I don't want anybody to shoot me over. However, I really made a commitment this year for 2023 that I was going to be using the things that I already had in my stash. So these are wooden bunnies and ducks and hearts and flowers from Close to My Heart. I'm adhering them down. I'm going to use my gold paint marker to color them in at the end, and I don't think that got well recorded on camera, so I apologize for that, but it is just a gold metallic paint marker that I colored in while they were glued down. So here is that second page, and I decided to abandon ship altogether and go with a completely pink background with some of the pink cardstock as my matting for this. So I just kind of went a little bit of a different direction, but the colors go great together to have them side by side. Since the photos are a little bit different of a size, we're just having fun with it. So I decided to mat it out. I'm going to mat this little picture of me with my little Precious on that same blue paper. I think it's just so fun. It's so bright. It's so cheery. And just to be able to kind of, I love to tell the story every year of our baby chicks and ducks that we get. So I decided, oops, since I'm doing this differently, I'm going to need to cover this up because I'm ripping it off because I want to put the pictures of Lucy and Ethel and Boo Boo and Precious on the other scrapbook page. So here we go. We're removing pieces and we're going to put another photo in its place, and we're going to have to re-embellish and cover up a little bit where that adhesive tore, because I use ATG, and that's strong, no joke stuff. So it's not the end of the world to me. I'm just going to play with it until I kind of like the way it looks. I'm going to put a little wood flower here, or wood heart rather, and a couple other rhinestone and flower embellishments around there. And that's just how it's going to go because, again, I made a mistake, but it's not unfixable. And sometimes that really does happen in scrapbooking, and why I'm just showing you actually the live creative process instead of, oh, I meant to do that. No, I totally changed my mind and went a little bit of a different direction, but I knew some of the things that I wanted to be able to use. So that's what we're doing. And I'm just going to adhere this down, and I'm grabbing some of the stickers. I love this little chick with the hearts, and it says, "So tweet." I'm not a big one for the puns, but with the little birdies and animals, it's so cute. And then the sticker sheet also had little speech bubbles. I just cut off the little like point of the speech bubble and I'm using it as like a completely rounded circle. So now on this page, I'm going to add more blue embellishments because I had the pink on the other. So more blues and yellows in the embellishments on this page help balance it out so that if they are next to each other in my 2023 scrapbook album, it doesn't look too odd. It looks like they still coordinate and are meant to be together. And I think they just turned out absolutely perfect and fantastic. I don't need to do a whole lot of journaling. I am just going to write in on this little tab the month and the year because we do try to get at least uh, four to six chicks every year to add to um, our little barn house of farm animals. So even though we don't have any bunnies anymore, we did have Charlie for a while, and you know he was a sweet little bunny. But my dear friend Lauren taking these photos, they were just so stinking cute. She's such an awesome animal photographer. I love her to death, and they just pop. You know, there's something so amazing about professional pictures of animals versus iPhone pictures of animals, but it was just fun to be able to do. And there you can see the gold paint marker over those wooden pieces really gives it a shimmery pop and makes it all blend together awesomely. A lot of things are still available at Close to My Heart, so I will leave a link to shop the By Megan Elizabeth Close to My Heart page, as well as other options for amazing papers. I hope that you guys enjoy the moments. I'd love to invite you into our exclusive She Makes Crafters Club, where we love to tell our story and make a life that matters together. Just encourage each other with Cricut, scrapbook, journaling, all those fun things. And I thank you so much for watching today. I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, like, and a share. And if you aren't already, please subscribe. Enjoy the moments.